Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class. So student, today date is 12 November 2020. And I am teaching you chapter number 21, and name of the chapter is A New Dawn. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in the previous video I explained you Lok Sabha. See, so there are two houses in a central government. One is known as Lok Sabha and another is known as Rajya Sabha. So student, Lok Sabha is also known as the lower house, or you can also say the house of a people. So student, why we say that it is the house of the people? Because the members which are elected, they are directly elected by the people. It means in the constitution it is given that any citizen of India whose age is 18 or above 18 can give the vote at the time of election. So student, here what's happened? The members are elected directly by the people by their votes at the time of a election. If they win, then they become the member of a Lok Sabha. After that, we have discussed that maximum number of members in Lok Sabha are 552. 552 members in the Lok Sabha. Now student, the question arises, who is the head of the Lok Sabha, or you can also say that who is the head of the central government. So student, the head of the Lok Sabha is known as Prime Minister. Prime Minister is the head of the Lok Sabha. Now next thing student, which you have to keep in your mind, for how many years the member of a Lok Sabha can work? So the answer is 5 years. The member of Lok Sabha work for 5 years. Now the next question is, who conducted all the meetings smoothly and how he is elected? So all the meeting are conducted by the speaker, and speaker of the Lok Sabha is who elected them? It is elected by the members of the Lok Sabha, and the person who conducted all the meeting smoothly, that person is known as speaker. Next, what is the age that anyone can become the member of Lok Sabha? So student, the age that anyone can become the member of Lok Sabha is above 25. Age above 25 years. Next, very important thing, who can dissolve the लोक सभा, मतलब लोक सभा को कौन भंग कर सकता है, खत्म कर सकता है? हु कैन डिसॉल्व द लोक सभा? सो द आंसर इज प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया. प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ India. Who can dissolve? That is the President of India. So, after how many years there is a election for the Lok Sabha? After 5 years, because working time of the members of the Lok Sabha is only for 5 years, and after that there is a re-election. Is it clear? Now these points we have discussed, student, all the important points about the Lok Sabha. Lok Sabha had, this is lower house. What is Lok Sabha, student? Lok Sabha is the lower house. And student, maximum members are 552. So all this about Lok Sabha. And yesterday we have done little discussion of a second house, that is Rajya Sabha. So in today video we will do detailed study of the Rajya Sabha. So Rajya Sabha So student, Rajya Sabha is also known as the upper house. Rajya Sabha is also known as the upper house because here, see student, here the members are not directly elected by the people. Is it clear? Here the members are not directly elected by the people. What is the method? We know that student, India is divided into 28 states. So number of seats from all state is fixed, and these is known as, and member of the Rajya Sabha are from where we choose the member of the Rajya Sabha, from the legislative state legislative assembly. So there are 28 states. So how many members we will select from each state, that is already decided. Now what happened? For example, you take a example of your state, that is UP. Now what is the method of election? See, those members which are elected by the people, okay, so they are the member of a state legislative assembly. Now see student, what happened here? Now these members will decide, or you can say these members give the voting. These members, they vote for the person who want to join the Rajya Sabha. It means here peoples are not the members which are elected by the. So see student, now these member of state legislative assembly, they give the votes, and by voting member, here the members are giving the vote. By the vote of people, the members are directly elected. Now the member of a Rajya Sabha, they are elected by the votes of the member of the state legislative assembly. And see student, there are 28 states, so it is also decided from which state how many members be taken for the Rajya Sabha. It depends upon the population of that area. ठीक है, अब ये भी होता है, हर जैसे 28 स्टेट हैं तो इसमें भी डिवीजन होता है. जैसे मैंने आप लोग को बताया था, देयर आर 250 मेंबर्स ऑफ ए राज्य सभा, जिसमें से 238 मेंबर्स दे आर कमिंग फ्रॉम द स्टेट लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली, एंड प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया ही अपॉइंट 12 मेंबर्स. ओके, so 12 members are appointed by President of India, and rest of all 238 members, they are coming from the state legislative assembly. So अब जो ये state legislative assemblies हैं, इसमें जो members हैं which are elected by the people, अब people ने देखो, people ने उनको elect किया, लेकिन अब राज्यसभा की जब बात आ रही है, so here what happened? The members which are elected by the people, they are giving the vote. अब वो vote दे रहे हैं, and in this manner the members of a Rajya Sabha are selected. Is it clear? So this is the method of selection of members of Rajya Sabha, and all these members are coming from the state legislative assembly. state legislative assembly. Okay, now see next what happens. Now total number of members, total number of members, total number of members, that is 250. Total number of members are 250. So out of these 250, 238, sorry, 238 members they are selected from, they are elected by the 238 members, they are elected by the state legislative assembly, elected by the state legislative assembly. And student, next important thing is 12 members. 12 members, and the name of these 12 members is nominated by the president. Okay, out of total number of members 250 in Rajya Sabha, 238 members elected by the state legislative assembly, and 12 members, their names are nominated by the president of the country. Okay, and important one more thing is that these members are from different fields. These members are of different fields. Fields like art, science, arts and science, literature, social service, extra. ठीक है, so these 12 members are nominated by the president of India, and they are of different fields like art, science, or literature, or social service. Okay, from these types of fields these members are elected. Now see, this we have discussed. Now next is, for how many years the member of a Rajya Sabha, okay, for how many years the member of a Rajya Sabha are elected. Okay, so members of Rajya Sabha are elected for 6 years. इज इट क्लियर? बेटा इस तरह पॉइंट वाइज पढ़ोगे ना, यू नेवर फॉरगेट। इसलिए मैं ऐसे एक एक, क्योंकि चेन की तरह ये पॉइंट्स एक के बाद एक, एक के बाद एक, ठीक है। स्टार्टिंग क्या की थी हमने? अपर हाउस है। उसके बाद फिर हमने सेकंड क्या किया था? मेथड ऑफ हाउ वी इलेक्ट द मेंबर्स, ठीक है। फिर उसके बाद हमने डिस्कस किया हाउ मेनी मेंबर्स आर देयर इन राज्यसभा। सो अभी रिकैपिटुलेशन बाद में कराते हैं, पहले देख लो। मेंबर ऑफ ए राज्यसभा आर इलेक्टेड फॉर 6 ईयर। नाउ हियर व्हाट्स हैपन आफ्टर every 2 years 1/3 members, 1/3 of the members they are retired. So member of a Rajya Sabha are elected for 6 years. They are elected for 6 years, and after every 2 years 1/3 of the members are retired. And student, this is the reason we also say Rajya Sabha as a permanent house. राज्य सभा को हम लोग परमानेंट हाउस भी बोलते हैं, और लोकसभा को क्या मैंने बोला था? टेम्परेरी हाउस, बिकॉज आफ्टर 5 years all the members are out and there is a election, and the party which win the election they form the government. But in the case of a Rajya Sabha, you have seen that all the members are not out at the same time. After every 2 years 1/3 of member retire, and in the place of these members new member take the place of these retired members, ठीक है। So this is whole. Now next, after every 2 years 1/3 member retire, and then again fresh members are elected, or you can say they can take the place of these retired members. Next thing is that when we are talking about the when we are talking about the Lok Sabha, then who is the head of the Lok Sabha? So Prime Minister of our country in present, who is the Prime Minister of your country? Mr. Narendra Modi. So Mr. Narendra Modi is the head of the central government, or Lok Sabha you can say. Now in the same manner, who is the head of the Rajya Sabha? So head of the Rajya Sabha is known as President, Vice President. So Vice President is the head of the Rajya Sabha. So this is all about Rajya Sabha. One time I just do one recapitulation so that you are able to understand all the things. Okay, now see student, I started with what? Rajya Sabha is also known as a upper house, and Loks. And one more point here, what is the age when you become the member of a what? Rajya Sabha? That is 30 years. 30 years. Is it clear? In Lok Sabha above 25, and in Rajya Sabha 30 years is the age that you become the member of a Rajya Sabha. Now see student, I started with the upper house. Rajya Sabha is also known as the upper house. Is it clear? Rajya Sabha is also known as the upper house. So student, member, and after that I discuss what is the method of how the members are elected. So members are elected by the state legislative assembly. Members are elected by the state legislative assembly. Second point, and it means here the members of a Rajya Sabha are not directly elected by the people. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि राज्यसभा के जो मेंबर्स हैं वो डायरेक्टली उनको क्या है, पीपल चूज नहीं कर रहे. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट फिर हमने इसमें डिस्कस किया आप लोग से व्हाट इज दैट फ्रॉम देयर आर 28 स्टेट एंड इन ऑल द 28 स्टेट देयर आर लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबलीज, जिसको हिंदी में हम लोग विधानसभा भी बोलते हैं. सो the seats are divided among this state, that how many members are elected from that state. This another is that what is the total number of members in a Rajya Sabha. So what is the total? That is 250. Out of these 250 members, student, 238 are elected by the state legislative assembly, and 12 members, their name are nominated by the president of the country. Is it clear now? And they are from which the field, that I have also discussed with you. They are from different fields like art, science, literature, social service. So these are the some different fields from which the members are elected. Now the next thing we discuss, how many years these members are elected. So answer is these members are elected for 6 years. And what happens here? After every 2 years, 1/3 of the member are retired, and new members are again elected, and they take the seats of these retired members. And what is the age limit that you become the member of a Rajya Sabha? So that age is 30 years. So that age is 30 year is the age. So I hope you all are able to understand what is Rajya Sabha and who is the head of the Rajya Sabha. The head of the Rajya Sabha is known as Vice President. Who is the head of the Rajya Sabha? The head of the Rajya Sabha is known as Vice President of the country. And why Rajya Sabha is known as the permanent house also? Because here all the members are not out at the same time like in Lok Sabha. After 2 years, 1/3 members are retired and new members are elected, and they take the place of the retired member. So this all about the Rajya Sabha. Now after completing the Rajya Sabha, now next is the president. How we do the selection of the president? Even you want to write, student, यू कैन राइट दैट, जो मैंने आप लोग से पहले भी बताया था, देयर आर 6 स्टेट्स in the country which having a state legislative assembly also and state legislative council also. So their names are Karnataka, Karnataka, Telangana, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Bihar and UP means Uttar Pradesh. Thank you student.